What's up? My name is Kamal, and today's video is going to be a quick and easy one for replacing these small sort of like peanut bulbs that are on your side marker reflectors. At first appearance they might just look like reflectors, but there actually is a bulb in there. This one keeps going in and out, so we're going to replace it today. One weird thing I did notice is in here we also have possibly the same bulb, just our peanut bulbs, which are kind of the like daytime running lights. Something odd I noticed is those will be on, but when we get the message that this one's out, when I come out and look at it, it is out, but I also noticed that for some reason that one also goes out with it. Maybe it's like on the same circuit or something odd like that. I just wanted to mention that in case any of y'all also notice that and think, is that one out too? I think once we replace it, it should be fine, but we'll see at the end of the video. So this is part of the reflector. I have the wheel off because we're actually doing some other things to the car today, but these screws here are T25s. You can take, well, definitely these two, and pull this back to get your hand in here. There is a little lip on the fender itself that this fender liner tucks on top of, so after you pull it off, when you put everything back together, just make sure it's back on top of this lip here. I'm actually taking off the front bumper for something else today, so to show you a lot easier what's going to be going on in there, we'll just cut to that real quick. Yeah, we've got the front bumper off, as you can see. I just wanted to let y'all know, you should be able to keep this part of the fender tucked under there like I was mentioning earlier. If you just get some of these down here, you should be able to pull this back enough to get your hand up in here. It is kind of tight, but like I was saying, the reason that this is so easy is because you can see right here where the light actually plugs in. You just have these two little pegs, and there's no like connector you have to pull on or anything. Just this rubber part just pushes over those pegs into the orange side marker. And then for the bulb as well, it literally just pulls right out, and then you can put the new one in. So that's why it's pretty easy. It's not a bad idea to have gloves on, because the oil from your fingers, if it gets on the new bulb, that film of oil can cause it to burn out a little quickly. So yeah, then we'll just push that in and get the bumper back up there. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. And we have a lot of content for the Porsche Cayenne, so if you could just subscribe and like the video, I'm sure there's something in the future you might be able to find on our channel. So thanks again. Peace.